How are you guys doing today? It's me, Anthony Tirado with AJT FX Learning. In today's video, we're actually going to be talking about how to execute trades and pending orders. Aside from obviously getting into the market at market execution, you could definitely set up a pending order for different types of pending orders. So in today's video, we're actually going to be talking about that and how we're actually looking to actually place those pending orders depending on where the market is. But if you haven't done so already, before we dive into all that great stuff, make sure to follow us on Instagram, Snapchat, like our page on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, all of which can be done at AJT FX Learning. And if you haven't done so already, make sure to visit our website at ajtfxlearning.com for some great trader tips to take things to the next level. So pretty much, as you guys already know, in terms of executing trades and pending orders, there's actually 4 different types of pending orders that you can execute aside from getting at the market at that current price. There's actually something called a buy stop, a sell stop, a buy limit, and a sell limit. So pretty much what we're going to do is let's actually overview each and every one. What I'll make sure to do is actually have this picture for you guys in the FX tool suite so you guys could actually use that for reference when actually at the market and looking at potential entries to get in. If the market does something, then you'll get in, right? So pretty much, as you already know, the buy stop is actually when the market is actually going bullish and it's actually pushing to the upside. What you're actually going to do is you're going to set your pending order, which is that buy stop, and you're going to actually hope that the market's going to hit it and continue going to the upside. Now for the sell stop, it's going to be the opposite way, where you're obviously going to have your pending order placed below the market price. So when the market continues and keeps falling, it triggers your trade and you get into your pending offer, which obviously was the sell stop at that moment. Now the buy limit works something like the support bounce, where pretty much the order is going to be triggered. Let's say if you're reaching, a level of Fibonacci and the market hits it, taps that level, or if it taps a major support, and then next thing you know, it reverses, right? So obviously your buy limit is going to be triggered once it taps that price, and then in hopes that it's going to continue to go up. Now the sell limit works something similar to the resistance bounce. So when we have our resistance bounce, you already know that it's going to reach that level of resistance and then bounce back to the downside. So obviously it's reversing from where it's coming from. Now obviously what you're going to do is the order is going to be placed above the price, and then price is then going to go down. So once it triggers that, the price should be hoping to continue now to the downside. So pretty much what I'm actually going to do is let's hop on MetaTrader 4 so I can show you where we actually can utilize and place your pending orders. So when, for example, if you're taking advantage of those signals, or if you're, looking to actually get in, you know exactly where you're going to take those at. So let's actually dive into MetaTrader 4 and I'll see you guys over there. Alright guys, so pretty much once you open up your MetaTrader 4 platform, what you're actually going to do is let's open up a chart. So you'll go to new chart. In this case, we could open up gold. What you're going to do now, obviously, is for those individuals who have the basic template or whichever template you're using for trading, ideally, just make sure to have it there. What you're going to do to actually place your pending orders or market execution is you could select right here where it says new order. And currently, it's at market execution, which means you will enter the market right now. Now, obviously, what you need to do is you either place your bid right here, the lot size, your stop loss, your take profit, and then you'd be able to sell or buy the market, whichever you need to do. Now, for example, for those individuals who want to place a pending order, for example, if we say, hey, set a buy stop or a sell stop, you would go to right here where it says pending order, and right here where it says the type, you would then have your 4 different types, whether a buy limit, a sell limit, a buy stop, or a sell stop, and then you'd obviously place it at the market depending on what you wanted to do from that image and what we discussed earlier in terms of where we're looking to move in the market with those different directions. So pretty much then you'd put at the price that you're looking to have that done, and you would place that right there. So pretty much guys, that's how you get into market execution and pending orders. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to connect with myself or support, and I'll see you guys on the other side.